St. Patrick's Day. Don't really feel like doing too much work. I have a couple of things I should be doing, but I think I'll just head to the shed, watch the Formula 1 and maybe play a bit of Scalextric and see how it goes. Sure, we'll bring you along for the spin anyway.
We got that on film. What happened to the fucking front wheels? Ah, well, we got that on film.
So we're back in the shed again, or garage. Playing Scalextric earlier, killing a bit of time, having a laugh. On Thursday, going into work in the CRX, I lost the back gears, so there was no second or fourth gear. Yeah, very strange. I thought it might have been one of the detent bolts. So that's these lads. They've got a spring and a little ball in them. So the spring sits inside in it, the ball sits on top of it, and it goes in onto the linkage. And I thought that might have been stopping me. There's one of them for the forward gears, one of them for the back gears. So there's one for first, third, fifth, one for second and reverse and fourth. But I took them out and they were fine. So I'm going to quickly pull the gearbox, however quickly we can do it, and pull it apart and see. Hopefully it's just one of the little 10s inside on the selector mechanism thing has gone bad, and we can put it back together and sort it out. Have to wait and see, but yeah, we'll pull it out, see how we go. Yeah, gearbox out. Took me just an hour to get the gearbox out, start to finish, on my own. Yeah, it wasn't bad. Struggle. So yeah, don't know, didn't see anything that was obvious that'll be the issue. So we keep going, strip a bit further. So them detent bolts, they go into these holes in here. And I'll turn my hat back on. And you see in the hole, you can see the shift fork, a little groove in it. That's where the ball sits into. There's 3 notches on it, I believe, on each one. But they look to be in line. So, again. So, yeah, don't know. Keep stripping it down. And we'll see what happens. All right, so flash forward 10 whole minutes, and I have the case off it, and everything looked good on initial inspection. Everything seemed fine, bearings, synchros, everything still looks mint. And then I realised, oh wait, what's this? There's a bolt missing. So I went looking, see if I could find it, and down in there you might be able to see it. That is where the bolt is, right in behind the selector mechanism thingy. So this is gonna be easy. This is a pretty strong little magnet. So now we have a bolt and a magnet stuck in there. Come on. And the magnet won't pick up the bolt. So, yeah. Where'd it go? There it is. The troublesome one. Oh god, look at the washer on it. Oh, that was getting a hiding in there. Under the hair, huh? Yeah. Treads are beat up. So that's where the issue arose from. That little motherfucker. So that's gone in the bin because it's fucked. So I need to find a new bolt. But yeah, easy fix. Just have to not break this case and putting it back together like last time. That was a disaster.
Right, so day 2.
Back again. Gearbox back together. Thank fuck.
Did they see the bolt?
Yeah, I seen the bolt coming out. I fished it out with my magnet.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So we just fill up this hole now.
I'll stick it back in there.
Yeah.
What way?
That's it, yeah. And I get a bolt for the top here. Wherever they are.
On the windscreen.
Oh yeah.
That one's fucked.
Which, the bolt or the hole?
The bolt. Oh no, the hole.
The hole, right. Right, well that's not falling out anyway. She's not gonna fall on your head.
She's in. Fuck you, go in. There we go.
All in together now. Look at this tasty box over here. Nice. Good old speed science. Alpha rad. Do you want to open her up there?
Yeah, sure we don't open it.
Oh yeah.
That's bad boy. Alpha.
Yeah. She's gonna look good in
On
there.
that side. Skunk to cap. Badges.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, it's gonna look a little better in there.
oh, you got hardware with it as well. Oh, you got a bracket to go across there and hold it, but on that side.
Yeah.
It has the
that's
lug
pretty
off
handy.
to one side on it. It has the lug off one side. So that'll go on there.
Happy days.
Nice. And you get your little booklet with it. It's got 2 sticker. Warranty, authenticity card. Ooh. A book of all their bits.
You shouldn't look at that catalogue too much.
This is next. All this.
Yes. Should be good, alright.
Let me make it scream.
Not that it doesn't scream anyway. That's it, it's all back together now. For another day.
For another spin of work. Yeah.
And that's about it.
Stay tuned.
Peace.